Artificial intelligence, AI, is fundamentally transforming the nature of warfare, bringing both opportunities and challenges that will shape military strategy and operations for years to come. Let's explore how AI is changing war forever. AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time has revolutionized surveillance and reconnaissance. AI-powered drones and satellites can gather detailed information from the battlefield, providing military forces with unprecedented situational awareness. This real-time intelligence allows commanders to make informed decisions quickly, identify potential threats, and coordinate operations with precision. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze video feeds to detect enemy movements, predict their next actions, and recommend countermeasures. Autonomous weapon systems are another significant development in modern warfare. AI enables the creation of drones, robotic vehicles, and other autonomous systems that can operate without direct human control. These systems can perform a variety of tasks, including surveillance, target acquisition, and combat operations. By reducing the need for human soldiers in dangerous environments, autonomous weapons can potentially save lives. However, this also raises ethical questions about the use of lethal autonomous weapons and the potential for unintended consequences. The prospect of machines making life and death decisions without human intervention is a topic of intense debate and underscores the need for stringent ethical guidelines and oversight. AI is also enhancing precision targeting capabilities. By analyzing data from multiple sources such as satellite imagery, signals intelligence, and reconnaissance reports, AI algorithms can identify and prioritize targets with high accuracy. This precision reduces collateral damage and increases the effectiveness of military operations. For example, AI can be used to pinpoint the location of enemy assets, such as missile launchers or command centers, allowing for targeted strikes that minimize harm to civilians and infrastructure. In the realm of cyber warfare, AI is both a powerful tool and a formidable adversary. AI-driven systems can defend against cyber attacks by detecting and neutralizing threats in real time. Machine learning algorithms can analyze network traffic, identify anomalies, and respond to potential breaches faster than human operators. However, AI can also be used to launch sophisticated cyber attacks, targeting critical infrastructure, military communications, and other sensitive systems. The use of AI in cyber warfare necessitates a continuous arms race between offensive and defensive capabilities, with each side seeking to outpace the other in technological advancements. Decision-making support is another area where AI is making a profound impact. Military commanders often face complex and rapidly evolving situations that require quick and accurate decision-making. AI can assist by providing data-driven insights and recommendations, helping commanders evaluate different scenarios and choose the best course of action. For instance, AI can simulate battlefield conditions, predict enemy behavior, and suggest optimal strategies based on historical data and current intelligence. While AI enhances decision-making, it is crucial to maintain human oversight to ensure that decisions are based on comprehensive information and ethical considerations. AI-driven training and simulation programs are transforming how military personnel prepare for combat. Advanced simulations powered by AI can create realistic and immersive training environments, allowing soldiers to practice their skills in a safe and controlled setting. These simulations can replicate various scenarios, from urban warfare to cyber attacks, helping soldiers develop the necessary expertise to handle real-world challenges. AI can also personalize training programs, adapting to individual performance and providing targeted feedback to improve proficiency. Despite its many advantages, the integration of AI into warfare raises significant ethical and legal challenges. The use of autonomous weapons, in particular, poses questions about accountability, transparency, and the potential for unintended consequences. International laws and norms must evolve to address these challenges and ensure that AI is used responsibly in military contexts. Transparency in the development and deployment of AI systems is essential to build trust and prevent misuse. Collaborative efforts between governments, technology companies, and international organizations are necessary to establish clear guidelines and ethical standards for the use of AI in warfare. In conclusion, AI is reshaping the landscape of modern warfare by enhancing surveillance, enabling autonomous systems, improving precision targeting, transforming cyber warfare, supporting decision-making, and revolutionizing training. As AI technology continues to advance, it will be crucial for military forces and policymakers to navigate these changes thoughtfully and responsibly. By addressing the ethical and legal challenges associated with AI, we can harness its potential to enhance national security while ensuring that its use aligns with our values and principles. The future of warfare is being defined by AI, and how we choose to integrate and regulate this powerful technology will determine its impact on global security and stability.